Syllabus Study channel and a very warm and delightful good evening, Honorable Sir, respected ma'am, all the judges, and a very nice good evening to all not presented here.
Good evening.
So thank you so much for responding. Karthik Vishwakarma is in front of you all. Today gonna teach you a chapter that is the Sermon at Banaras. So as we know very well that there is a holy place in our India that is Banaras. We go there for wandering and for watching so many of the places and especially so many of the temples and the rivers. And today's story is related to the Banaras only. So as we know very well that there was a monk whose name was Siddharth Gautam, and then at the age of, means we can say in his teen age, he decided that now he will leave his home. And there is a story behind it, so I would like to tell you about it. So the story is started from the boy, his name was Siddhartha Gautam, and one day he watched three things together. And the things were like, the one person had died and he was watching him, he was passing from there, so he watched them. Then he watched a monk asking for money here and there, and then after he watched an ill person. And after watching these three situations, then he decided that now he will not live in his home and he will try to gain the lessons in his life. And after it, he left his home and then he was going here and there, and then he found a banyan tree and then he stayed there for 7 days. And after it, he gave the name to the tree and the name was Bodhi tree. And after giving the name, he decided that now he will stay there, and then he started giving the lessons to so many of the persons. Now, one more story is related to this, that there was a woman and her name was Kiza Gautami, and her child was died, and then she was finding for the help. She was asking with everyone that make my child alive again. And after some time when she went to the Gautam Buddha, so at that time when she asked with Gautam Buddha that make him alive. Now you should make my child alive, because as we know that you are a very big person and you can make it complete. And after it, when the Gautam Buddha gave her one of the challenge that for making him alive, you will have to go to everyone's house and ask for the mustard seed. But there is a twist that you will have to take the mustard seed from the house where nobody had died. And after it, when the woman was going here and there, she was wondering, she was asking for the mustard seed. So everybody had the mustard seed, but the situation was not completed. Like the persons who had the mustard seed, they were not in the home where somebody had not died. And after it, when she got to know this lesson that the death is the simple, the death will come to your life and it is the true. Like we can say so many of the times, it is the bitter truth that we will have to taste it. Death cannot be like that, it will never come, it will come to you, but you will have to accept the reality, what is happening in your life. One more lesson that is given by this lesson is all about think before doing any of the thing. Like the Gautam Buddha thought a lot after leaving his home. So this was my class about the sermon at Banaras. So this was all for today. Thank you.